Hi guys, I'm Lina. Today we continue trading on a Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Let's open 3 deals here at once. We see that we have an uptrend. After the correction, we understand that the price is in the support area, and we are waiting for the result. So great. And let's move on. Let's open the first deal here. I don't want to open a few right away. We'll wait until the price drops a little lower. Waiting. Let's open 2 more deals from this position. And here our deal goes to 0. It's okay. And perfect, the deal goes into plus for us. So here we can still open 1 deal for an increase. We see a stable working out of the support area. While our volatility is very low, there is the deal should go into plus. Unfortunately, we catch here such an impulse and open 2 more deals and wait for closing of the deal. So great, let's now open. Let's now open 8 deals on a suitable currency pair for the entire amount. Opened 8 deals for $1,000. I'll explain why here I opened exactly for an increase. That is, we see that we have clear dominance here, and here we are working out support levels, and we had a rather impulsive candle. As we see, it has already gone green. So let's wait for closing deals. Perfect, we managed to pick up deals and we have $15,000. This is a really great result. I can't believe even. So let's open a down trade here. We understand that we have a corrective dominance replenished by $800. there is, we still have potential for a fall. And waiting for closure. So we turn out to be on the right. And perfect, we choose a more or less favorable position for opening a trade for a fall. After all, we still have a corrective dominance, so we are waiting for the result. And so DL falls into the plus for us. So we close this currency pair. We're no longer interested in this. Here 3 deals were opened at $800 each, also in favor of a corrective, and we are waiting for the result. Perfect, we take the deal with plus. And we opened 5 deals in favor of the correction. We see that the volatility has increased very much, while this is an impulsive corrective movement. And here it's right to open it for a fall. Great, the deal is going up in plus. And we will probably leave $900. We opened 9 deals with you for a fall. In favor of the dominance of the downtrend. Now we are waiting for the result. So good job, we did a super result and we already have $15,000 on the balance. I propose to end out with a balance of $305. We see that the price has recovered very strongly, large volumes to buy. Correction is now very necessary, and we wait. So great result, the deal goes up. Managed to open a deal on time. I thought there would be a recovery stage and a downward movement. I wanted to open a more advantageous position, and we are waiting for the result of the deal. And so deals comes in plus. And let's open a trade here in favor of a correction. We see here it works out the level from which the price went down. this is the level he worked for. The price here has rapidly unfolded, which is happening now. We see the price has fallen and we open the deal on time. And the deal goes up. Great. Pretty solid deal. Here we open 2 deals according to the trend. Uptrend. We see the recovery phase. The price is rising. We could wait a bit, by the way, and open more profitable one, and we wait. And the deal is up again. On this position, we will open a deal for a fall, and we understand that the price is on a downward trend. And I doubt that the RIA will not work in this position. And I think the corrective movement will last, so let's wait. I made sure, and one deal was opened in the end. I opened 4 deals at once as I see a confident entry for an increase. We have a lack of falling here, and a support area has formed. Here is, and we opened the deal to increase from it. We see that the area has rapidly worked out a fairly strong level, and here the lateral movement is just the same stage. Let's wait. Great, all trades are profitable. We see the green candle. So let's open an uptrend here. We see that the price is in the support area, and if we draw a straight line here, we see that we opened an uptrend in favor of the uptrend. So great, the deal goes into plus. And we opened a deal with you for fall. We see that the price was at its peak here. Here is the peak, and we see that a corrective movement has begun. And if you look at this flat, here we have a sideways trend, and we are right with you from the resistance area. A trade in favor of a correction was opened. And perfect, our deal is going into plus. Let's immediately open 2 deals for $600. We can close this currency pair. Let's open a deal here in favor of correction, because we see that the corrective movement has begun. That is, we understand what we have here is the amplitude. Here we see it, and the price has gone beyond the resistance area, and now we have a corrective movement. A fairly confident trade. We are waiting for the result. Perfect. Our deal is going up. Let's move on. Let's open a deal here in favor of a correction. We see the resistance area is working toward us. The price here has not gone into a correction because this area is working out here. That is additional support area, but in any case we should have a corrective stage now, so we opened a short trade with you. So great, our deal is going up. Let's move on. We open 4 deals in favor of a decrease. Here we see a downtrend, and we opened a deal in favor of a decrease from the resistance area. And now we are waiting for the result. So cool. In total, we have almost $7,000 on the balance sheet. I think that the result is excellent. On this, we can end our trading session. And in conclusion, I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the description. Of course, nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.